Okay, so let's have this problem. So for this horizontal motion under kinematics, then we have this given. So a car starts from rest, then accelerates at a constant rate of 7 meters per second squared. Then find the velocity of the car after it traveled 96 feet. So first, we need to list all the given from this problem. Since the car starts from rest, so therefore the initial velocity is equal to 0, then accelerate at a constant rate of 7 meters per second squared. So the acceleration is 7 meters per second squared. Then since the car traveled 96 feet, so therefore the distance is equal to 96 feet. And to find the velocity, so v or velocity is the unknown. But first, before solving for this velocity, observe that the unit of the distance is not equal to the unit of this acceleration. So we need to convert this feet to meters, and during the conversion, since the given is in feet, so therefore feet must be in the denominator and meter is in the numerator, and the conversion, that's 1 meter is equal to 3.281 feet. Then cancel now this feet, and to simplify, so this 96 divide by 3.281, so we have 96 divide by 3.281 equals, so that's 29.26. So this 96 feet is equal to 29.26 meters. Then this time we can solve now the unknown. So since the unknown is velocity, and from these formulas, so formula for the velocity, that's the initial velocity plus the final velocity over 2. But since in the given, there is no final velocity, so we need to solve first for the final velocity. So using this formula, because if we're going to use this formula, observe that there is no given time, but using this formula to solve for the final velocity, so we have the initial velocity, the acceleration, and the distance. So therefore we can find the final velocity from this formula. So we have final velocity squared equals the initial velocity squared plus 2 times the acceleration times the distance. So we have now the final velocity squared equals the initial velocity is 0, then squared, plus 2 times the acceleration, that's 7 meters per second squared. Then the distance is 29.26 meters. Then to simplify, so we have now the final velocity squared equals, so multiply all these numbers. So we have 2 times 7, then times 29.26 equals, so that's 409.64. So this is 409.64, then meters times meters, that's meters squared over second squared. Then this time to find the final velocity, so take the square root and take the square root. So we have now the final velocity equals the square root of 409.64. So we have the square root of 409.64 equals, that's 20.24. So this is 20.24. The square root of meter squared is meter over the square root of second squared is second. So the final velocity is 20.24 meters per second. So since we have now this final velocity, so we can solve now the velocity from this formula, that the initial velocity plus the final velocity over 2. So we have now the average velocity. So the initial velocity is 0 plus the final velocity is 20.24 meters per second, then over 2. Then to simplify, so we have the velocity equals, so this 20.24 divided by 2. So we have 20.24 divided by 2 equals, that's 10.12. So the velocity of the car is 10.12 then meters per second.